When asked why he had so few friends, a Stoic replied that friendships are like diamonds, rare, invaluable, and often surrounded by counterfeits. He remarked, "After being deceived a few times, one might conclude that all friendships are illusions, mere imitations of the real thing." Building on this idea, another noted, "A true friend is a treasure, something to cherish." Yet, finding such a friend is one of life's rarest gifts. But what does it mean when you often walk this world alone, despite its endless webs of connections? Is the absence of friendships a reflection of something deeper within us? In today's exploration, we'll navigate the intricate nature of friendship, or the lack thereof, in modern society. We'll delve into the subtleties of social life and examine how it shapes our connections. Remember, the quantity of friends doesn't determine your value. Sometimes it's about finding that singular, genuine connection. Through the lens of Stoicism, we'll unpack why some people struggle to forge meaningful bonds, explore the root causes, and most importantly, offer Stoic-inspired strategies to cultivate enduring friendships. Like a sculptor shaping a block of stone, you too can carve out relationships that withstand time and trials. Let's begin by addressing a common challenge: shyness and introversion. Although we are inherently social beings, for many, navigating social interactions can feel like solving a complex puzzle. Yet introversion is not a flaw. It's a strength in disguise. In the words of Marcus Aurelius, "Accept the things to which fate binds you." Your reserved nature is a quiet power, and embracing it allows you to move through social spaces with confidence. When you find yourself at a gathering, feeling the familiar weight of shyness, Stoicism offers a guiding principle: focus on what you can control. You may not control how others perceive you, but you can control your actions, words, and gestures of kindness. Speak not to impress, but to express. By shifting your attention from fear of judgment to authentic self-expression, you lighten the emotional burden, transforming conversations into opportunities for genuine connection. Additionally, it's essential to recognize that friendship isn't a prize to be won, but a relationship to nurture. Detach yourself from the need for immediate results. Like Seneca, who viewed life as a journey, approach each encounter as a step along your path, not a measure of your worth. By staying true to who you are, you invite connections that genuinely resonate with you. Another significant obstacle in forming deep connections is trust. Trust isn't something handed out freely, it's built slowly, piece by piece. Start by knowing yourself. What drives you? What unsettles you? This self-awareness acts as your internal compass, guiding you through the complex terrain of relationships. Like a tree grounded by its roots, stay anchored in your values, even as you navigate the shifting seasons of life. People, like seasons, can change. A friend today may not be one tomorrow. This isn't a call to close yourself off, but a reminder to approach relationships with a realistic mindset. If trust is broken, it's not the end of your story. It's a chapter from which you can learn and grow. Being realistic doesn't mean becoming cold or distant. It means remaining open while understanding that perfection is unattainable in human nature. Like water, flow through life, adapting to circumstances while remaining true to yourself. Maintain clear, honest communication. If doubts arise, voice them. Transparency can illuminate the shadows of uncertainty, much like a light dispels darkness. Suddenly, clarity emerges. Don't shy away from engaging in conversations. They serve as the bridges, leading to deeper and more authentic connections. A genuine dialogue can transform confusion into mutual understanding. But it's important to remember that conversation is a two-way interaction. Listening holds as much power as speaking. This balance of sharing and absorbing creates a rhythm, a harmonious exchange that strengthens relationships. Friendship isn't about quantity, it's about cultivating a circle built on trust, where honesty becomes the foundation rather than an afterthought. Another key obstacle many face is the lack of opportunities to connect. In the whirlwind of modern life, this absence of friends isn't always due to a lack of people around us, but often stems from not actively engaging with the world. We're surrounded by digital notifications, yet what we truly seek are heartfelt interactions. Picture this. Volunteering in your local community isn't merely an act of service. It's an invitation to meet like-minded individuals who share your values. Whether you're planting a garden, helping at a food bank, or participating in a charity event, every shared experience forms a bond, a subtle thread weaving connections into your life. These small actions embody the Stoic principle of contributing to the common good, and through that shared purpose, genuine friendships often arise. Equally important is finding spaces that align with your passions. Imagine stepping into a room where everyone shares your interests or profession. These environments aren't just places for career advancement, they're fertile ground for friendships to bloom. Surrounded by those who speak your language, conversations flow easily, leading to both professional growth and personal connection. It's a reminder that friendship often begins in places where understanding and shared purpose already exist. And let's not overlook the natural world as a social stage. Activities like group hiking, outdoor yoga, or cycling aren't just exercises for the body, they foster moments of connection. In nature's simplicity, barriers dissolve and genuine conversations emerge. The informal setting strips away pretense, allowing relationships to develop organically. While you're out there, take a moment to practice gratitude for the fresh air, the beauty around you, and the people who share those experiences. Ultimately, it's not about having countless friends, but about appreciating the few connections that truly matter. This simple, heartfelt approach turns the quest for friendship into a journey worth savoring. Lastly, a lack of social skills can be a roadblock. Friendships require effort and intention. Many overlook the importance of nurturing social interactions in the rush of daily life. As Marcus Aurelius gently reminded us, love those whom fate brings into your life. It's a call to embrace even the smallest opportunities for connection. By being present, genuine, and open, you can develop the skills necessary to foster meaningful friendships.